Thanks, Jane. Here's the news that moved markets this week. The recession is here, and the market was able to shake it off, actually rallying after the news broke. Gross domestic product declined by 0.9% at an annualized pace during the second quarter. The economy shrank by 1.6% in the first quarter. Most economists and financial institutions interpret two back-to-back negative GDP readings as a recession. However, the National Bureau of Economic Research is the organization in charge of making that determination. Multiple factors, including non-farm payrolls and real personal consumption expenditures, weigh into whether or not they would call it a recession. It could be months before the National Bureau makes a judgment. Well, one person who has issued his judgment is Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Powell said he didn't think the U.S. was in recession. Powell's comments followed another massive 75 basis point rate hike by the Fed. The market rallied 400 points after Powell said he could see the Fed slowing the pace of rate hikes in the coming months. It was a big week of earnings reports, as most of the big tech companies reported earnings. Meta shares plummeted on Thursday following another lackluster quarter from the social media giant. Meta Platforms posted a miss on top and bottom lines in the second quarter as digital advertising slowed. The company also issued a weak forecast for the current period. It was a big week in the solar space. Shares of companies that make solar panels or focus on clean energy surged after Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and the lone Democrat holdout, Senator Joe Manchin, announced that they'd reached a deal on an ambitious climate bill. Now back over to Jane.